Hello viewer, welcome to CodeTuber. In this video, I'm going to talk about selection sort. Selection sort is a sorting algorithm that's like bubble sort and insertion sort. If you don't know about these two sorting algorithms, I have already created videos about both of them. Check out those videos because they will be very helpful for you. The algorithm constantly runs through the elements and finds out the lowest element and keeps that element at the beginning. Let's say we have this array to sort. Split the array into two parts, the sorted part and the unsorted part. In the beginning, the sorted part is empty because the entire array is unsorted. In the unsorted portion, find the lowest element. In our case, it is 2. So replace 20 with 2. Swap their position. The items which are already sorted will be kept in the sorted portion because we are not going to sort them again. We will only work with the unsorted part. Now again find the lowest element and swap the place. Keep it in the sorted part and follow the procedure again and again until the whole list is sorted. Now let's see how to implement this algorithm in Python. We have this unsorted array. These data will be sorted by selection sort algorithm and will be printed on the terminal. The selection sort method takes two parameters. Array is the unsorted list that has to be sorted and size is the size of the array. A for loop will run from the first item to the last item. In every cycle, the method will search for the lowest item and will store the index of the lowest element in min-index variable. This for loop will search for the lowest item. It starts from the next item of step and runs till the last item. If it finds any item that is smaller than the previously found smallest item, then it updates the min-index variable with its current index. And as soon as the for loop finishes, it will find the lowest item. Now the current item and the lowest item will swap their places. Now it is time to test the code. Everything is working perfectly. If you have enjoyed this video, then please like it and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question or any feeling to share, then please use the comment box.